Zam. So, what's going on is this is the tow arm, and there's these this washer here, and it was kind of loose, so I think that's why the tow arm is wiggling in and out, causing my alignment to be all off. When I'm on gas, it'll pull to the right. When I'm off gas, it'll pull to the left. So we're just gonna weld this washer in so that way it doesn't move and it'll just be permanent. And then we'll just have adjustability by adjusting the arm itself. So that's why we're here at Mark's house today.
Yeah, buddy. Yep. Doesn't like welding to the car, that's for sure. You wire wheel on this side too?
Yeah, I did the whole like area.
All the way around it? You know what these are made out of?
The subframe?
Yeah.
So the subframe's aluminum, and we didn't know that. But that just means we get to ride in the 240. If you guys want this one, 42 grand.
That's right.
They'll sell it right now.
Hit me up. Yeah, kid on the way, keys and cash.
Single cam?
Yep.
Single cam, fresh, non-cracked dash. Oh, this thing's turbo? 52 grand. I stand I stand corrected.
Yeah, buddy. A little dirty because the fires out here in California kind of getting ahead of me.
No, but seriously, this is the cleanest. Damn, I don't think I've ever ridden this thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my pride and joy right here.
Dude, this thing is... Wow. Look at these door cards, not a stain. The title of this video would be, I go for a ride in a $30,000 240.
Right.
Damn. Look how clean this thing is. Not a scratch, not a crack. All the 240s you see now are worse than mine. They're all like crap boxes.
Oh yeah.
Cracked dashes and
Hacked
missing
up.
interiors.
Yep.
Listen to this crispy sound right here. Ooh. That crispy Velcro. Wow.
Oh man, that one's even crisp too.
Right?
I don't know if I've ever taken that down.
It's the first, the virgin Velcro.
Right?
Dude, hang on to this thing.
Yeah, I like it smart. Got the sunshades. That's the secret, people. Sunshades.
Yeah.
Keeping the dash uncracked.
Keep your interior fresh.
Yep.
Is this original too? The shifter boot?
Yeah.
What? A non-ripped shifter boot. Freaking amazing. So let me flex this dash a little more for you guys. Dude, I saw some dude post up a non-cracked dash for $1,000 on Facebook.
Damn. I had one sitting in the shed for the uncracked dash.
He's got all sorts of goodies.
Yeah, buddy.
Hit him up. You better have deep pockets though. Man, I sold my non-cracked dash for $100 back in the day.
I cracked my uncracked dash in the blue car. I cut it up and used it for my cage car. How stupid was that?
And my old 240, the one I gave you, that thing was like fresh when I got it.
The dash?
The whole car.
Oh, really?
It was virgin. Like it even had original Nissan plug wires still. Like it was never touched. It took me like 2 hours to take the front bumper off because every little clip was still there.
Yep.
Just two dudes cruising in a mint 240 into the sunset. Super fresh though. It's probably the cleanest 240 I've seen in a long time. And it's funny because I've known this 240 for like 5 years. I see it at his house every day. I just didn't realize how clean it was. Just in awe how clean the inside is still.
It's actually still tuned for 96. I don't put 96 anymore, so if this motor doesn't last, then it's my fault.
96 octane?
Yeah, I put 91 in it because 96 I have to drive 20 minutes, well 40 minutes total. 20 minutes there, 20 minutes back, just to get the 96. So
I see.
by the time I get back, I'm already a quarter tank low. So, yeah, whatever. It doesn't seem to not like it just sputters somewhat.
Yeah.
AFR still reads correct. You guys actually talking about trading me his 550s for these. These are 740s, the injectors. That'll probably help a little bit.
Because these are too big?
Yeah, the idle's at like 1500.
Oh, I see.
And it's hard. The tuners said like, what do you have in here? Because they didn't really know, and I was like, I have 740s. They're like, oh, okay, that's why I can't bring the idle down any further.
I see.
Because they brought the duty cycle down like super low.
All right. We got more washers, so we should be able to do this now. Turns out the subframe is aluminum. Who would have known that this is aluminum? So basically we can't weld it. This part of the subframe you can just bang out and then it'll raise it to so where we can get this little edge to lock it in. I guess I just crushed it back down when I tightened it down the wrong way.
Coming out. Needs to come out farther though.
So put everything back together. This side's as it was, but this side, a little bit of weld is holding it in from spinning. This side was punched out from the back. We punched it this way. Now we have this raised edge, so it's preventing from this washer from rotating or moving. So I also just got schooled on coilover setup. I had it all set up wrong. I was kind of winging it for the past 10 years on my 240 and it worked. You got to set the preload correctly and then set the ride height. So Mark's readjusting all that for me right now. Thank you, Mark.
Let's see what we have here compared to the other side. So the other side's at 8, this one's at 9 1/4 to the top of this ring. The top of this ring on the other side's at 8.
Yeah.
So we are 1 1/4 inch difference on ride height on each side. And start turning. It's easier to bring it up than it is to push it down.
Car's back on the ground now. Seems to sit a little better. Side's still a little low. So I basically need to do to the front coilovers what Mark did to the rears, and then we'll see how it sits. And it's making sense. It's doing what we think it should be doing. Hopefully this fixes my alignment problem. And it looks pretty cool all low on this side. Alright Mark, thanks for adjusting my coilovers. I learned a lot tonight. Like, I can't believe I went all these years without without learning that. Now I know what to do, so I'm gonna adjust the fronts and then hopefully car drives straight.
Glad I could help you out.
Yeah.
Anytime.
And if you guys want his $40,000 240,
hit me up.
Hit him up. All right, thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
And just after a few minutes of driving the car, it feels 1,000 times better. It pretty much drives straight. I think I just need to adjust the fronts to like level it out like we did for the rears, and then the car should drive perfectly fine. It's almost perfect right now. I'm so glad. Like, I was so stressed out. I thought like maybe the car was hit, so maybe it wasn't straight. So no matter what we did, it wouldn't drive straight. But man, thanks, Mark. Like, this car feels great now. I was even thinking about selling the car, giving up and not being able to solve the problem. So, whew, feel 1,000 times better. Now I'm just in the drive-thru, gonna get some in and out because there's nothing else open this late. Mark worked all through the night helping me out. Appreciate him as a friend. Let's get some food.